In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the back glass cover on an LG G7 ThinQ smartphone. Okay, so this back cover is cracked. You can tell this is the original one because it has the IMEI number on the bottom. Okay, so first I'm going to power the phone off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, we can get started. Now to start, I'm going to heat up the corners of the phone. You can use a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer. So I'm going to be using a hair dryer to do this. Okay, so I'm going to start by using a razor blade right at the seam. You don't have to worry about cracking since it's already cracked anyway. So just okay, so I'm going to apply more heat. Just be careful because the razor blade is going to be hot. You can wear gloves if it's too hot for you. Okay, it's starting to come off now. Just be careful because this is glass. You don't want to cut yourself. Just go all the way around. Okay, I feel it coming off now. Yeah, let's go back around. Just don't go far too deep because the fingerprint sensor and the camera lens is here. There's a ribbon cable here, so just don't push the razor in too deep. So here, do it more shallow, just to cut through the adhesive. The trick is to push the razor through and then slightly twist at the same time, this way you can prop up the glass. Okay, this is tight, so I'm going to put a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a playing card. this part is, the adhesive is the tightest. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now the next thing you need to do is to remove the camera lens and the fingerprint sensor. So I'm going to apply some heat to this area. There is adhesive that's holding these two parts on the back glass cover. So I'm going to use some heat to soften that adhesive. I'm going to start with the camera lens. Just be very careful because this is metal. Okay, a little bit more heat. You can just push through right here with your finger just to prop that up, and it will come out now. Be careful, don't pull on the ribbon cable, just pull on this piece here, and it's out. So now these two pieces need to be cleaned up because they have adhesive on them. Okay, now here's the replacement back glass cover. You have to put camera lens and the fingerprint sensor on the new back glass cover. So I'm going to do that now. Just push that in like so. Presses in like so. Now the next thing I'm going to do is clean off the old adhesive. Just be very careful. Get all this stuff out of here. to brush off all the loose debris. Okay, now I'm going to apply adhesive. Okay, place the back cover back on. Just align everything. Press it firmly down. Use an alcohol pad to wipe off any excess that has oozed out of the corners while the adhesive is still wet. Okay, now I'm going to be applying clamps. Okay, I'm going to leave the clamps on for about 30 minutes. It starts to cure within 1 to 2 minutes, and the adhesive process achieves its full bonding capability in about 48 hours. So there you go. That is how to replace a back glass cover on an LG G7 ThinQ smartphone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.